is one of my favorite pasta dishes. I cook this pasta dish once, maybe even twice a week. It is fast, simple, cheap ingredients that you can have on hand at all times. Great pasta dish to make you feel good. We're gonna do first, let's grab our garlic here. I like a lot of garlic in this. I'm gonna cook this portion just for one person. I'm gonna start with 5 cloves of garlic and see how I feel. You know, I know, a lot. Awesome, I don't know. I love garlic so much, I just love the smell. I'm gonna bash my cloves a little bit just to release the skin. All right, so you notice that I'm not smashing the absolute piss out of them, I think because I do want to get some nice slices and stuff out of them as well. Is there ever too much garlic? Probably, but for me, I'm doing okay. Great thing about this recipe though too, once the water comes to a boil and you throw the pasta in, sauce takes as much time to cook as the pasta. It's great, it all comes together in one big thing. It can be done in 10, 15 minutes, not even. We're gonna add some oil to the pan, about that much I'd say. The 2 main ingredients in this pasta recipe are in the title. It's garlic and oil, which means you need a good amount of oil and you need a good amount of garlic as well. Now notice when I throw the garlic in that the garlic isn't sizzling right away, and that's a good thing actually. There's a lot of sugar inside of garlic, which means it'll burn really quickly if it's added to really, really hot oil. What you want out of your garlic is to fry it really, really slowly, like really slowly. Take your time with this if it's your first time doing it, but basically you want the garlic to get really, really soft and really, really sweet. That's the best part of this recipe. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna cut up my parsley. So. All right, so as you can see, frying nicely, but it's not too aggressive. You'll get a feel for it as well. You'll know if it's going a little bit too quickly. Get our pasta in. Hey Siri, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Technology. Let's add a little bit of the red pepper flake in here as well. Pepper in there as well. There we go. A little bit of salt, just a little bit. Now the great thing about this recipe, one of the things that I love about it though too, is that this can just be a starting point for you as well. Throw in some bacon or pancetta at the start, and you want to throw a couple anchovy fillets in there, you can as well. You know, it's like you can take it a million different ways. You want to coat all the nice spaghetti with a beautiful sauce that you made, which is basically just garlic, oil, chili flakes, and black pepper. Not traditional, but I like to freshen it up with a little fresh lemon juice on there. Add a little bit of our parsley right now. And then the best part, you can add a little Parm on there, Parmesan cheese if you want. That's it, there you go. It's your pasta dish. Simplicity at its best. You don't need anything else. I'm pretty, as the Brits would say, I'm pretty chuffed with that. Did I?
Hi.
Wanna come try?